Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday. The S&P 500 was down almost 0.4% today. Really kind of a average day altogether. I think the market's kind of waiting to see what's going to happen with the Fed meeting next week. The bet is still that they will pause rates, but the Bank of Canada did a surprise rate increase today. Seemed to affect the market some because maybe there's going to be a surprise increase from our Federal Reserve. So that's one of the things that's happening right now. Our Fed has been pretty good about signaling what they're going to do. There's been some talk about holding here, so hopefully they'll do that, but we'll find out next week, obviously. Don't have any changes on the stock market signal, but we do have some changes on the bond market signals. We are currently at green and yellow on the slow signal. Bond market's going to kind of struggle in an environment like this where you maybe have some inflation that's still sticking around, possibility of still raising some rates, those types of things. So we'll see, how this plays out as far as that goes. I think another very significant thing that happened today is that we got to 4,299.19 on the S&P 500. So there's sometimes when you get to these round numbers, there's a lot of sell orders sitting there that kind of drive the market back down. And so they become kind of these resistance points. The high that we got to back in August of last year for that big run up that we had was 43.25. So we're very close to that. So I wouldn't be surprised to see it really struggle here to try to get through these resistant points. Matter of fact, in this market, since the beginning of last year, I've seen it actually get through the resistance points. Usually that means it kind of catapults up from there, but then we've been pulling back in this particular market, back at below, sometimes below the resistance point. So, however, it has been eventually coming back up and breaking through there all the way up since the middle of October when we hit our low. So again, I wouldn't expect anything spectacular here as it works its way through this level. Could be a really good time to for the market if it can break through and hold up and continue to go. So we'll see how that plays out. So I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you very much.